Today, I met these two beautiful strangers at MG Road. They were so energetic and they were so good. We ended up making jokes, dancing on street, and they challenged me to do a push-up in middle of a road in MG Road. Watch this complete video to know why they challenged me that. And hey, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe. So I am here at MG Road. It's 10 o'clock. So I am exploring with two beautiful ladies and they are...
Hello! Hi!
They are...
Wait for it. Here it comes. Almost there.
I'm really sorry I forgot your name. Priyanka and Pratiksha. I am Dhanush, by the way. Okay.
Hello, very nice.
So, very nice to meet you. So, we are going to explore MG Road with these two beautiful, cute ladies, okay? Let's go. Okay, how with that?
Okay. Thank you for reminding us.
I can hold it for you, no problem.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Oh, can I guess where are you guys from?
I'm from Pune, Maharashtra.
I thought I'm gonna guess it.
Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna guess.
You can guess mine.
Okay. You look very, very chubby and you look very cute. So, are you from Nepal or Himalaya or something?
No. Okay, very far.
Okay, I can give me a hint.
My best, please.
Oh, then you must be a Maharashtrian.
Yeah.
Oh, Mumbai. You came to Bangalore too?
Yeah, I just came. It's just been 4 months for me.
Yeah, you came. Oh, that's really great. You guys are.
Long distance friendship. We've been together for 3 years.
Oh.
And we were doing, long distance
Oh,
friendship.
yeah. So online video calling every day.
Yeah. Every day we have.
Yeah. So what's your experience in like it's been 4 months you're here, right? What's your experience in MG Road actually?
I've been to a few restaurants. I don't ask me the names.
Okay, no problem.
But yeah, and a few pubs, I guess.
Okay.
Apart from that, just like chilling and wandering.
Walking around. So what's your favorite place in Bangalore, by the way?
Maybe this street only, Church Street.
Yeah, you like this place too much. Why do you like this place too much?
After working 5 days in office, you get to see beautiful faces here. And
Oh, new weird faces as well. Oh, that's nice. Okay, I'll give you one task, okay? Who is ready to do it? Like, who wants to do it first?
Yeah, no, Rishabh.
You want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, so the task to you is, you need to ask a person a direction. Okay. You can ask anything, whatever you feel like Kaban Park or anything. And you have to go in the opposite direction.
oh my God.
Okay. This is going to be fun, interesting.
I'm in. So that good? Best of luck. Thank you.
You can say Kaban Park or anything, like whatever it's easy for.
Excuse me, where is the Kaban Park? She doesn't know in my defense. Uncle, Kaban Park का रोड कहाँ है? यहाँ. मुझे कबन पार्क ही जाना है. इस सीधा? ऐसा ना? ठीक है. Thank you. He said that direction I moved to this.
So tell me, explain me something about this place.
I am actually not sure about the name, but I've been to this restaurant. I actually came for what was it? India and what was it? Finals. No, was it Pakistan? No? Yeah, finals. New Zealand. Yeah. I came that day.
Match, right?
Oh my God,
We won. Come on, Dhanush.
it happened just now, 2 weeks before.
Oh my God. Aura minus.
Yeah, you can tell me about it. How was your experience, by the way?
It was good. It was actually Women's Day also that day. Yeah. So I got.
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah. So I got too many flowers, free flowers, and one gift. Yeah, it was a face wash.
Okay, you got it for free.
Yeah.
I'm jealous. Very lively. So yeah, oral food. Well, you can hear
place, no?
Like exactly what do you want it to do?
Maybe we're planning to go to a pub on this Friday actually. So maybe.
I'm a DJ, so
Yes.
yeah, I
Oh
can
my
suggest a
God.
place as well. On Fridays, I do play Reserve Warriors.
Uh-huh.
So you can come up there. They play Bollywood bands. There'll be a Bollywood band.
Oh, we are
my
Bollywood
God,
girls.
like, you're Bollywood buff.
Oh, then
Yeah, yeah.
you're gonna love that.
We're actually musicians.
Oh,
Yeah.
what do
We
you guys?
sing.
You
We
sing.
play guitar.
Play guitar.
We were actually planning to bring a guitar here.
Yeah.
But we thought it will be, not very much.
That would be awesome. Why didn't you do that? I could have recorded your voice also in
We
there.
didn't know we'll find you here.
Come on, man. For that,
People like us.
yeah. Hello. What's your name?
She said.
I say, what did you do for morning?
Morning we got up at 1 o'clock.
Why?
Then we had a good breakfast. Then we slept again. Then we got up at 5, got ready and went out.
That's a good morning. Like it's too sunny as well. I have one question. Okay, it's a funny one. What is the most popular fish in the ocean?
Popular fish in the ocean.
Yeah.
Is it a dolphin?
No.
You go.
Sharks.
Starfish.
Oh my God! You got us. Nice one. Okay, and now that we know like how are your questions, we'll answer
we will
accordingly.
answer.
Oh yeah. Okay. Okay, this is a kind of cheesy one.
Okay.
What did the Zomato delivery guy say to his wife about finding a G spot? It's very complicated, but you can try it. It's very fun.
Can you repeat it once again?
What did the Zomato delivery guy say to his wife about finding a G spot? You said you guys said you guys gotta find it. Now it's your turn. You guys have to do it.
No idea, man.
Reaching the location in 5 minutes.
That was
Noise one again.
So okay, now the thing is, I will imagine something in my mind. Okay. So you guys can ask questions. How many questions you want, you can ask me.
To get to that thing. Okay.
But I can say only yes or
Yes
no.
and no. Okay, got it.
Oh yeah, done.
I mean, is it a person or like I'm not gonna ask the first question, but
It's not a person.
Is it a thing?
It's a thing.
okay.
Does it grow?
No.
How many questions do we have?
You can ask how many questions. Like,
Can
if
we
you-
keep
if you
it in
give
the
up-
house?
Sorry?
Can we keep it in the house?
House stays inside that.
Who stays inside that? Building? What? Society?
It's a
Yeah,
place.
it can be.
City? Village? State?
Can be.
Country?
Exactly. France. I guess in France. But that's okay, you got it. Okay, you wanna try?
Yeah.
So we both are going to.
Yeah. I'm in his team now.
Okay, done.
Okay. Is it movable?
Yeah.
Is it a car?
No.
Can we carry it along with us?
Oh, that depends.
Depends.
Yes, partially.
Is it a food or something?
Food?
Yeah.
No.
It can't be food. He said it's movable.
Is it too big or too small?
Cannot answer.
Oh.
No, you can say only yes or no.
Come on.
Okay, ask me once again.
Is it too big or too small?
Is it too
Both.
big? It's both.
It's both. So it comes in sizes.
Come on, Dhanush, come on.
Is it a stick? Movable. Is it edible?
Yes.
Okay. It's edible. It's getting harder.
Yeah.
You can give us
Some hints.
Yeah.
Well, oh my god, hint. It's everywhere. Okay, time's up.
I risk
Okay,
it.
can just
You'll be
start.
surprised.
Okay, tell me.
Yeah.
Let's surprises.
Okay.
Woman.
Woman. But you said it's eatable. Edible. Okay, the task is still there for you. Okay. What task should I give you? Can you see my?
Hard one.
Yeah?
No.
Okay, I'll give you a joke. Okay. It's a South Indian joke.
Okay.
If you can get it, that's awesome. Okay. Why do we South Indians are dark skinned?
Dark skinned.
Why do we South Indians, I'm a South Indian, are little bit dark skinned?
You guys don't apply sunscreen?
But the joke is,
Yeah.
we watch Sun TV without sunscreen.
Oh.
You got that?
Yeah.
What was the best thing happened to you guys today?
Today, you.
You. Yeah.
Me?
Yeah.
I
You
think
made our day.
what is the hidden talent you have that most people don't have? Oh,
Even me. 1, 2, 3, go.
it's okay. The task for you is
Yeah.
I'm gonna play a song in my phone.
Okay.
Oh.
You guys have to dance something.
Oh.
A little bit movement is fine.
It's fine. Please make sure it's a Bollywood one.
Let's do one thing. Let's play your favorite.
It was fun. You guys enjoying it?
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot.
Maybe you should also dance, yeah?
We went to an antique store.
Okay.
First, since this is my first time, I got this
Okay.
with magnet.
It's like what's in my bag.
What's in my cover?
My bag is not that fancy, and we got
Oh,
if you can see.
it's a god. It's a Ganapati.
Yeah, Ganesha.
It's a Ganapati. Oh, you guys in Maharashtra, you guys celebrate very good Pongal.
Yeah,
right?
you should visit us.
Oh, these are so good. Oh, this is really good. Actually, I liked it. I liked it.
Hey, why don't we teach you some like Marathi words, you know?
Okay. Okay.
है ना?
And
It'll be fun.
you teach
Yeah.
us in your language.
So this is one thing. If you ask a girl,
Okay.
Marathi.
it has some different context. A Marathi girl, of course.
Okay.
If you ask this to a Marathi girl,
Okay.
it'll kind of work as a pickup line for her.
Okay. Maybe you try.
But it won't be that cheesy, yeah? It'll be like a sweet question that you ask her.
General question.
Yeah. And so it means like, have you had your food?
Okay, that is not a pickup line.
Oh,
Actually.
that is
It works in
Trust us.
Maharashtra, I'm telling you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's like Jevlis
Zevlis.
ka.
Zevlis ka.
Yeah.
Zevlis ka.
Yeah, it's a thing.
Okay, how do I answer to that?
Ho.
Who?
If
means
it's yes
Okay.
and nahi means no.
For the men.
No. Like
If you want to say yes,
Okay.
it's ha or ho.
Okay.
If you want to say no, I didn't eat,
Okay.
it means nahi.
Nahi. Okay.
if someone asks you,
Okay. Then I have to say ha
yeah,
or nahi.
yeah.
Nahi means in Kannada it's a kutta.
Oh, is it?
I'll say this similar contents. Tindi aita.
Tindi,
Tindi aita.
tindi aita.
Means breakfast idea.
Okay.
You can say haitu or you can say illa.
Illa, we know.
Illa you know.
Ille.
Auto rickshaw ka illa barala.
Illa.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. How much?
So 180. So if you're taking 2 photos, 160 each.
2 photos for
Decide a number, bro. Decide a number.
your birthday.
Well, she, her birthday is on 5th April.
Oh, then we're gonna celebrate. You're taking us for a treat.
Of course.
28 September.
Yeah.
It's a single shot, okay? Look at this camera.
Okay.
Don't close your eyes. Just a flash. Look at this camera. Okay, smile. Smile, smile. 3, 2, 1.
Girls are getting ready for the photo.
Yeah.
Close up. Yes.
I have no idea.
This is one. Inside this we'll get the 10 sheets. So it will be inside.
Okay, that will be going
So
inside.
yeah, this one we are placing from the back side.
So the question is, how long you guys been friends?
We are completing 10 years this
Okay.
year.
Oh, so you are childish, seddi dost.
No, after 10th we got married.
Oh, like in first PU or
Yes,
something.
yes.
Okay, okay.
We wanted to get it, since very long.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How long you guys been waiting?
I don't know, a few years.
Few years
Yeah.
for this.
We also, wanted to do that photo booth thing.
Oh.
It's somewhere here, but
It's on the other side actually.
This was unexpected, meeting you.
But hope you guys are having fun with me.
we are.
Absolutely. Why don't we give him a task now?
Oh, give it to me.
Wait, we'll give you a dare.
And that guy should not hurt me, okay?
Oh yeah.
Do 10 push-ups.
Oh. Okay.
Very
That's
doable.
a big task, but...
Okay, 5.
Come on, Dhanush. Yeah.
Motivation.
You can do it.
You can do it.
It's just 5. You can
1, 2,
go.
4, 5.
Yay! That was awesome.
Cheer me up.
Yeah.
Subscribe to his channel.